Today I'm going to show you how to set up alerts on the Monitor platform. Now if you're on your Monitor domain screen, you'll notice all of your different containers. If you go to any specific container which you have, you can see the alerts button. That's one way to access your alerts. Otherwise, you can click on the left here. If we click on the alerts button on your domain, it will show you the list of alerts that you have set up for your domain. To set up a new alert, go to the top right and click the new alert button. You'll notice you'll be taken to the alerts interface. Now this is the global monitoring alerts interface. In this interface, the first field you'll see is the domain. In here, you'll be able to select the specific domain you'd like to build the alert for. The next one is the alert type. In the alert type field, we have a couple of different options: tag volume change, tag not firing, data validation, and anomaly detection. Let's go through tag volume change for now. In tag volume change, or in all alerts, you'll be able to set the severity of the alert. You then select the vendor that you like to apply the alert to. And then you could select from some of the specific fields for that alert type. And these change depending on the type. In the case of volume change, you could select the change direction, a percentage, and even some filters. If you go down to the comparison period, you'll notice that volumetric changes can be done hour on hour, day on day, or every interval of time of 3 days or 7 days. And you can select the time zone that they will run in. And the last step is you select the notification channel, which can either be email, Teams, or Slack. In the case of Teams, you just enter in the Teams channel email address. If we go back up to the types, there's also tags not firing. In this case, you could select multiple different vendors. Just be mindful that if you do not add in an event parameter or an event filter, Monitor will not know that a specific event has not fired. This is just filtering for the specific vendor. So you must specify, for example, if I have a Google Analytics 4 event called purchase, I must say event equals purchase. This must be filled out so that Monitor selects and filters on Google Analytics 4 purchase tag has not fired over that period. After you do that, you press save. And the last one is the tag data validation. Now in data validation, you select a single vendor, and as you select the vendor, you'll notice that all the parameters that have been recorded for that vendor will appear. So for Google Analytics 4, for example, event parameters, custom event parameters come in as ep.amount. Now if I select ep.amount is blank, then whenever the Google Analytics 4 tag goes off, I say amount field is blank. This will come in and will find that situation and will filter it for me and will give me an alert. In the case of data validation, these can be done in real time, and I could put a stop count. So I could say stop this after 10 instances or notifications within 1 minute. That's a bit too much, but for testing reasons, it works. And then you could select your notification channel. So let's press save on that. If this comes up, you can just press X and save. Now we have our amount field is blank alert. If I go over to the website and we go success, this is the success page. You'll notice that there were events that went off. If I head into Slack, you'll notice the event has already come in. Amount field is blank. EP amount field is blank. Vendors Google Analytics 4. And that will take you into the view issue screen. You'll notice in the issue that the severity that you set on that alert will appear right there. And if you want to access that alert, you can also access it from down here. And you'll see that link will take you right back to that alert. So that's the demo for today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out support.getmonitor.io. Thanks.